Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can style a plain white t-shirt in 5 different ways. So I got my white shirt from Shein for like $5, and it's honestly so comfortable that I wish I could wear it with every single outfit because it feels like I'm wearing pajamas, but it doesn't look like it. So I'm going to show you guys how you can pair the same white shirt for 5 different days, 5 different looks. Whatever style you're going for, it works for it and it looks great. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so for outfit number 1, it's just a basic jeans and a shirt kind of outfit. My jeans are by the brand Celebrity Pink. I got them at Macy's. Then I just spared it with some pink Vans to give the look a little more of a pop of color. And my cardigan is from Forever 21, as well as the brown belt. Then I tucked in the shirt to my jeans so it would look more put together, a little more fashionable. I think this outfit is so cute for a regular day. I absolutely love it and I wear it a lot. So outfit number 2 is probably one of the simplest ones on here. I literally just threw the shirt over this dress that I've had from Nasty Gal and then just put on my brown wedges from Forever 21. I absolutely love how this outfit turned out, and I think honestly when you're in a rush in the morning and you just want to throw something on and look cute and presentable, this is the outfit to go with. So outfit number 3 is probably my most worn out of all of these, simply because it's so comfortable, but at the same time it looks like you put yourself together very nicely. I'm wearing my Nike Air Maxes, then I'm just wearing some bike shorts from Forever 21, and the same white shirt with my mini backpack from 9 West. I love this outfit. It's my go-to outfit for school. It's very comfortable, it doesn't take a lot of time in the morning, and again, you look put together and you look nice, and it's extremely comfortable. I can't stress that enough. So outfit number 4 is definitely for those of you that work at jobs that require you to wear business attire. I love this outfit. It's very nice and it looks super put together, like you put a lot of time in your outfit. My pants are actually thrifted. I got them for like $10 at a Goodwill. My wedges are from a brand called Call It Spring, and I got them at JCPenney. Then my blazer is from the brand BB. I've had this for like 2 years. Absolutely love it. You always need to have a good black blazer because it goes with literally anything. Then I'm just wearing some gold jewelry that I've been wearing this whole video, and yeah, this outfit is so nice. I've worn it for job interviews and it always looks so great and just works really well for business attire. So this last outfit is definitely something I would wear more to a dinner date kind of thing. I love this denim skirt from JCPenney. It's by the brand Arizona. I love the bow in the middle and I love how it looks with the shirt tucked in. Definitely cinches out your waistline. Then these Steve Madden heels are so comfortable. I've worn them so many times. They go with literally everything. And then I just did a red lipstick on to make the shirt pop more and make the outfit more festive and fun. Okay, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to leave a comment below letting me know any more video ideas you guys want me to do, and make sure to subscribe down below if you want me to keep posting more videos, or if you want to keep seeing my videos, if you like my videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.